In this video, we are going to solve question number first of exercise number 5.2. Find the arguments of the following complex number z is equal to -1 plus under root 3 iota. Because z is equal to -1 plus root 3 iota, -1 and root 3 lie in second quadrant. Therefore, argument theta is equal to pi minus tan inverse b upon a, which is in modulus. Then pi minus tan inverse, the value of b, which is imaginary part, is root 3 upon -1. Pi minus pi inverse root 3, because in the modulus negative value will be positive. Then pi minus tan inverse root 3 can be written as tan pi by 3. So now cancel tan inverse to tan and pi minus pi by 3. When we take LCM, 3 pi minus pi is equal to 2 pi by 3. So argument theta is 2 pi by 3.